from the earlier thing. This is the other project. This is in a place called Bardoli, which is about an hour from Surat. And the reason we show you this is because it's in a highly urban context, a very fast-growing city, people with aspirations, and then what you give to such a client. Especially in this case where the clients were both older couple and a younger couple, where the older couple was very concerned and still had habits of being part of a street and wanting neighborhood and neighbors to talk around with, while the younger people thought that they do enough work and interact with many people around, so they would rather go back into some kind of quiet space when they reach their home. So there was like this dual need that existed in the family. And we thought that hence the lower part would be given for all the public activities and a grandparents' room. And then we lifted the ground up towards the middle. The upper part would kind of almost hover up there by itself and would enclose all the private sleeping zones. And this middle part, which would be like almost sandwiched between the top and the bottom, would have the public areas, which are most common to everybody, being the kitchen and the dining. And that the section shows how the raised ground helps create a green space even at the first floor level. Next. Here are comparatives of the model and the real building that was built, which you can see here. The section over here shows that kind of double height living room space and how the upper area overlooks it, and the staircase, of course, which is put in the most common zone to create a sense of forced interactions between family members. Also in terms of the material, how the lower one is still using the humble brick, and then as you go up it becomes more about the newer materials of acrylic and steel and glass. Next. The slide on the right shows us the place in progress, the site in progress, with the raised ground level. This shows the approach from the road, and the slide on the right is a little backyard that they had existing within their community space. The slide on the right, the slide on the left shows that how their upper object was made to kind of hover and feel heavy onto that space below. And the one on the right shows actually the whole brick wall that kind of gives way, so that the grandfather's room was right behind it, and how they could have opportunities of interacting with the street that was right outside whenever they imagined them sitting in that open space between the building and the wall. We are showing only one interior project today, and more from the point of view to explain again the way we work, which is when this is for stockbroking firm, and when they came to us with their whole kind of requirements, we kind of questioned, and one thing that came across as their belief was that they believed in transparency in the system. And we took that up as one of the main concepts in driving the whole project. As you can see, they came to us when the slabs was still being cast for the building, and this was on the 5th floor. So we kind of helped them cut a slice of skylight right through the middle, and provided a skylight which does wonders today, where you don't need to use lights all the way up to almost 5:30, and typically stockbroking firms don't work post 4. So it really has helped them get down their budgets. There was a terrace right in the front, which was then fronted by glass cabins, which held all the managers and directors, and a sense of privacy, a sense of transparency, which showed both the firms' beliefs that we don't want to keep anything hidden. So they were all glass cabins, which were then also allowing the terrace to be enjoyed by the people within. The part that you see marked as brain was mainly the research center, and hence was also designed in such a way that it was never rigid. It was always in capable of expansion and capable of free thoughts coming in and out. The part that is marked flux is actually for the real trading that happens over there, and which was also designed, that you will see within the following film that shall show this. It was designed as with glass, with a non-permanence kind of a feel to it. And then of course you have the little break area where the eat is there, and the wrap, which is like this, the color of their firm is yellow, orange. And so it was done in this orange wrap, which kind of made a person enter into the whole area. And the forum is a group of 4 spaces of different sizes of conference rooms, which then get combined into one as and when required. We will follow this up with a short film on the project, which was taken, I think, almost 6 years, maybe? About 4 years after the project was completed. And we just show it as it is. And then we shall take it on. Pinkesh shall go ahead and talk to you all about the recent 2 projects.
It's so good to really see you, and here we go again. And hold still, baby, and feel this longing fascination. All the things you remember will come here. can tell where you've been. But it takes time to feel all those sensations.